Hello and welcome. In this tutorial we're looking at the mobile version of the Workplace Activity History module. For general information about using the mobile version of the system, we recommend you also view the System Overview for Mobile tutorial. It's published on a dedicated YouTube channel along with other tutorials related to your system. To find it, just go to YouTube, enter your system name, followed by the text System Overview for Mobile in the search field. When accessing the module navigation menu on a mobile device, the Workplace Activity History module appears second in the menu, directly below the Workplace homepage. The Workplace Activity History provides an overview of user activity that's occurred across the workplace. Like all system modules, the access and inclusions visible in this module vary according to individual user access levels, which are controlled within the User Management module. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, we're seeing everything just as a workplace administrator would see it. This module features the same fundamental layout as the mobile version of all modules in the system. The icon at the top left of the screen opens the main navigation menu. The home icon with the blue eye returns to the workplace homepage, and the icon to the top right of the screen opens the module navigation menu. Below the module name are the main controls. In this case, the option to export the data from the current year being viewed in CSV format, and the option to export the table with the current year being viewed as a PDF file. To the right are the module help notes and link to this video tutorial. The mobile version of the Workplace Activity History table shows a breakdown of the combined activity of all users on a month-by-month and module-by-module basis for a 3-month period within each calendar year. The default view is the current month within the current calendar year. Other months within the current year and other years can be viewed by selecting the back and forward arrowheads that appear either side of the months and years. Note that while the mobile version of the calendar only displays 3 months at a time, the CSV export and the PDF view will include all 12 months of the year being viewed. Otherwise, the Workplace Activity table itself is identical to the desktop version of this module. For more information, please refer to the on-screen help information and the desktop version of the Workplace Activity History module tutorial, which displays when viewing your workplace on a desktop computer. Thanks for watching.